Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Darius from DariusCooks.tv. Of course, I'm back with another really quick recipe. It is my version of beef bulgogi. So if you've ever had beef like the Korean style with all of the good seasonings, with a little bit of heat, a little bit of sweet, that's what we're gonna do today. And to be honest, it's easier than you think, all right? So I'm using for this ribeye. This is a boneless ribeye. And I'm just going to slice the ribeye into slices. All right, all the beef is sliced. And I'm gonna throw all of the beef into this food storage bag because it'll be easier to marinate right in there. So I'm gonna start by adding in some brown sugar. To this, I've also got a pear, and I'm just gonna grate down the pear. I'm gonna do the same thing with the garlic and the ginger as well. There's our ginger, our garlic, and the pear. It's gonna go right into this bag as well. This is a Korean chili paste called gochujang, really delicious. A little bit of sesame oil, cannot forget the soy sauce. And that's it. You wanna give this a good mix and make sure all those seasonings comes in some good contact time with the beef. And we'll let this hang out till it's time to fry it. But first, let's make some rice. All right, so for our rice, I'm starting by adding some oil into my pan. Then we're gonna pour in the rice. And then we'll stir ever so often until the rice has toasted up to like a nice light amber, light golden brown color. All right, I'm gonna season this rice with a little bit of chicken bouillon. And then let's add in the water. I've got 1 tea bag. This is a ginger tea. This is gonna go right in and steep with the rice and cook all the way through and just impart all that really good ginger flavor right into that rice. So as you can see, the liquid is cooked out of the rice, but it's not done yet. I don't want you to think it's ready to eat. Kill the heat and then put a lid on top and we'll let it sit for 10 minutes. I know I'm using a plate, but that's all I got. And if my grandmother was making rice, this is exactly what she would do. So we'll let this sit for 10 minutes. We'll get a fork and we'll fluff it and it'll be time to eat. In a cast iron skillet, make sure it's really hot. I'm gonna add in some oil. And as you can see, the oil starts to waft a little bit, so we know we're ready to go. And in goes all of the marinated beef. Thinly slice some scallion. That way we have nice flecks of green all throughout. Plus, tastes pretty good too. Okay, let me see what this is hitting on, because I gotta tell you something. My senses, in terms of smelling this, are like on 1,000. Talk about sweet and savory with the slightest amount of spice. Not heat, but spice. It is so good and quick and easy. You gotta give it a try. Perfect for a weeknight. Hell, perfect for any night, okay? The recipe, DariusCooks.tv. 2 things I gotta tell you as I always do. Food is my life. Life is my food. Until next time, I wish you a happy cooking while I eat this, okay? From my heart to yours. Bye, y'all.